All right, my friend, what's going on? We'll start with Franklin Preschool.
Well, we appreciate the time here, Bub, and we've got a lot going on. It's day 22, I think, with students in session, so we're rolling now. We're getting things going at Franklin. We've got the family night coming up on September 25th at 7 p.m., and we'll have the outdoor Lion King sing-along on the projector, so come on out and wear your Simba costume.
Now, I'm not saying that Trent Duckett told me you're doing Hakuna Matata.
Well,
solo.
But hey, the more the merrier. So bring everybody on out. We'll see what happens there.
That'd be a good way to thin a crowd.
That's right. That's right. We also have Picture Day coming up for our friends over at Williams Elementary on September 26th. So moms and dads out there, make sure we've got our smiles ready to go. Riddle Elementary, we have Math Title Night on September 24th, where we'll have our family engagement centered around math learning. So encourage anybody over there at Riddle, parents to come out and support that. Additionally, we've got keep things rolling here with the middle school. Tonight, we have our 7th and 8th grade open house from 5:30 to 7. So hope to see a lot of parents out and engaging in that.
And in honor of today, 9/11, Patriot Day.
Yeah. So as you've shared earlier this morning too, today is Patriot Day, and we honor 24 years later. What the tragic day that happened, and the patriotism that came together around that the days and months following. And so today over at Lyft, they have the 9/11 annual Stair Climb Challenge that's happening today in all three sessions over there. We've got an open house also coming up over at Lyft on October 1st, and we're partnering with Ameren. The focus will be on our HVAC floor, where students will teach the community members how to replace their smart thermostats, and each attendee will receive a free thermostat to install in their home. So we appreciate anybody coming out to support that and honor that as well.
All right, very exciting stuff coming. Trent Duckett joining us today for the Athletic Director and Assistant Principal. Easy for me to say. Maybe I need to go back to school. Hello, Trent. How are you, man?
Good morning, Bub. How are you doing? Thanks
Good.
for having me.
It's good to see you. Thanks for coming in. And we're gonna talk. Well, first of all, we'll talk about football and what a throttling last Friday.
Sure. Yeah. Exciting first home football game for us last Friday to get a first win going this season against Rantoul. So. The boys were excited. We had a great crowd. The energy was there. Cheerleaders, dance team, band, all that pageantry that goes with Friday Night Lights was awesome to see. And we're looking for another one this coming Friday, tomorrow, as we take on Salem. So 7 p.m. We're going to introduce our JFL, our young Greenwave, and get them introduced and the cheerleaders there to get them ramped up and ready to go and have that energy. We also have Kid Cheer Camp Day, and I think Coach Gear, our cheer coach, said there are 134 kindergarten through 5th grade cheerleaders that will be joining our cheer team on the track. So excited about that going on tomorrow night.
And in 2 weeks...
2 weeks then, on the 26th, we have the big one, right? The Clash, where we take on our county rivals, Charleston. You won't see me in red, unfortunately, today on Patriot Day. I would wear blue, but I wear my green because we have games. But, we take on Charleston over at EIU, and we are excited about that. That's been now quite the tradition as thousands come out to watch that game, and we're glad to partner with Eastern to be able to have that contest there. It's just a special night, and we're happy to have the trophy in our trophy case right now, and we're hoping to keep it there.
Now, do we know when tickets will be available?
So we did hear from Eastern this week that they're planning to have those printed and to us, hopefully by the end of this week.
Oh, cool.
So hopefully next week those will be available in the high school office, either the athletic office or the main office. You can get them for $5 ahead of time. They are still $6 at the door, so you can get them the day of.
Okay.
But you can save a little bit if you stop in ahead of time.
All right, let's talk homecoming week.
All right, homecoming week is in October, so we got a nice fall homecoming. And when we think about that week, it's of course we have sports going on throughout the week. We kick that kind of off on Wednesday. We have a special kind of day at MHS on that Wednesday. It's our Green and Gold Day, and it's a day that kind of ties back to an event here at Mattoon, where we go out and we serve our community. And so we'll have over 800 kids out serving the community that day across the county in different ways. And we return in the afternoon for our homecoming assembly, which is a cool thing to see the kids out and showing their school spirit and playing some games and introducing our homecoming attendance and just having a good time there. Then we rally uptown to Broadway and we jump into the Broadway Bolt. Mm-hmm. So that's a cool cross-country event, folks. If you get a chance, come out and see those kids running down Broadway. We start there at the train bridge at the train station and head down and circle around Peterson Park and then make our way back west on Broadway to the finish line. And then right after those boys and girls cross that finish line as we celebrate them, we pull right on with the homecoming parade. So we do appreciate the town as we do jam up traffic a little bit as we close down Broadway. But again, all in good things to support our kids and what's going on here in Mattoon. So
we're definitely used to a jam up right now in Charleston Avenue.
Yes. So it's going to be a little bit worse even when Broadway's shut down on top of that. Again, that's October 8th. So plan ahead for that if you're looking to be in the area. Come out to the area, though, for the race and the parade. Would love to have you for that.
Okay.
Following that, on Thursday, the 9th, we have our volleyball home game against Mount Zion, and that is our senior night. So fits right in there to homecoming week with all the pomp and circumstance that goes with that we can celebrate those seniors on one of their last home events against Mount Zion, the conference game. Friday, rolling into the football game against Mahomet Seymour, a tough opponent, but glad to invite them into town. And then Saturday, we have soccer in the morning against Mount Zion and roll into our dance on Saturday night. So it is a busy week, and we hope that we see our alumni out and just get to celebrate the Greenwave and enjoy all that goes on with that week. So we're a lot of things going, always busy at MHS, and hope to see you out supporting the Greenwave.
Now, one note, we've been talking about this a little bit. If you need the kids to do some sort of function around your workplace or for Green and Gold Day, you can actually submit that now.
Absolutely. So yes, please reach out. Carrie Veach, one of our instructional coaches and teachers at the high school, does a wonderful job in coordinating along with a number of different people there, our counselors, and working to put that all together, working with transportation to get kids places, to make sure that we have that opportunity. And we're happy to serve in any way that we can. So yes, please reach out. Check the district website for that form so that you can jump in and we can help you. That's what that day's all about, is serving others.
And also on the website, there are some job openings. You need some help.
Yes, we do. Always at the school district. Always looking for people that want to be a part of the team, and that's what we truly consider a team. So if you're interested in paraprofessional positions, we certainly have those open across many buildings. Maybe high school isn't your flair, but elementary positions, middle school positions, preschool positions as well too in those locations to help those kids continue to learn. And then also we have school psychologist positions open. So that's something that again is as we work through our world today, it's always great to have people that can support kids in many different ways. So if that school psychology position is something you're interested in, please reach out or check out the website.
All right, guys. Thanks for the update. We appreciate it.
Thanks, Bub. Appreciate it.